Alright, here we have a couple Bryant air conditioners right here. This one is, I think, an Evolution. No, it's a Preferred, it looks like. You can barely see it. It's caged off, so I can't get a good look at the compressor. It's from 2009, that's a 2-ton. Line is very cold and sweaty. Seems like it's working great. Here's a little Bryant Legacy line. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And that is from 2015. It's also a 2-ton. And it looks like it was just running. Over here is an Ameristar. It's from, I think, 2017. We'll have to check on that. It's a 2-ton, either 17 or 19. Here. Cold and sweaty, and then here's a Trane ductless unit right here. And the data sheet's gone on that, so well, there's a serial number. I think 2016 looks like, so. And the Ameristar turned off. But yeah, this Bryant is very quiet. Wow. Figure I'd get a shot of this too. There's a little York Olympian. Has 3 blades. Has a Bristol back in there. I'll have to check on the year, but it's a 3-ton. It doesn't have a logo on it, so it's some kind of older York product though. Alright, I guess over and out.